Well, this was quite a pleasant surprise. I just had gotten the notice to pay, and then the notice confirming this had shipped, I believe, I want to say Friday? Or no, I may have paid Thursday, and then I got the notice that they were shipping it, excuse me, Friday. And it's Monday, and voila, it's here. This is my round my round 2 Commlock and pistol order, and but let's see what we got here. I'm gonna hopefully do the same thing I did with the resin kits, which were make this as functional as I can, and let's see how. I've got 3 kits here, so I'm going to be doing a couple of them, and let's get that out of here, and let's see. I don't remember if they actually showed sample pieces that were actually injected molded. So and if they did, I totally missed it. But oh man, the artwork on the cover is, I think, a little bit shocking. I'm drawing a total blank here. Martin Landau looks really kind of more like a Klingon than an Earthling, and jeez, could have done better with the artwork. So anyways, I didn't buy it for the artwork. Okay, well, not a whole lot of pieces. This part here, which is that's the tricorder. It is the Commlock and other pieces. There's the speaker grill. Unfortunately, it's not, or is it? No, it's a solid piece of plastic. It's not. There's no vent. There's no vents or anything. Sound would not go through it very easily. Oh, I see. This is for the Commlock, and this is for the laser pistol. Which the laser pistol I have really no interest in. I may build one, but the other 2 I have no idea what I'm going to do with those. I'm not a weapons person, and not really that jazzed about the pistol. But hey, it was a 2-piece, so, and they're not selling them individually that I know of. So the chrome pieces look really nice. No flash that I can see, but I suspect they clean these up before they do the chrome plating anyways. So maybe that's why it's as clean as it is. So, but the quality looks very good, but it's a relatively simple kit to begin with. As I said, the pistol or laser pistol, I may put one together, but I'm not going to focus on that. I only care about this guy here. Let's see what they are going to give me as far as interior space to do my, it's not a whole lot of pieces. Well, this is, it's not the end of the world, but that's pretty cheap that they molded that solid. I would like to have had individual, but I'll probably put in my own push button pieces. The layout is very similar to the casted parts, except much thinner, which should really help me out a lot. The way I put my screen in looks like I could probably do it here, because with my approach, I'm going to have to do a less than totally accurate rendering, because this has all got to come out for the board's length, or the LCD board's length, and the camera for the video transceiver. I kind of wish, as I said, these buttons were individual. Well, they are on the side, so that's nice. I can definitely take advantage there. Yeah, very little flash at all. Very nicely molded. There's nothing here for my screen, so this looks smaller than my cast. Hold on, let me go get one of my resin tricore. I mean, I keep saying that. Comlocks. Let's see how different they are. This looks smaller. It may just be me, but this looks smaller than it. So hold on. All right. Well, I guess not. I guess my recollection was just. Yeah, they both look virtually identical inside. It's a little bit different. This one has a narrower gap, not a big deal. Back here looks to be the same size. These are much deeper, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. The sizes are different. These are much larger than these. They don't really do anything, but there's that difference. This is not done there. This one is not done there. And in this, in my resin, this actually is how you scroll through the menus on the OLED displays. Let's see on the side here. Just a little bit of a difference between the switch, the button sizes and their spacing. This one here is a bigger 0. This one here is just a tiny slit. I believe this is more accurate than this, but I'll have to go online and take a look. These little holes here are not reproduced there. The front, as I said, I had to do something a little bit different here to facilitate the camera, and also because the LCD screen took this whole width, you can kind of just barely see the edge of the flex circuit there. But I found some really nice screen, and I believe I've got enough left that I'm going to be able to use that on this. The biggest advantage between this and this is going to be much easier to work with than this was. The castings were great, but they were thick. They had to be, because it was a resin cast and not as strong as styrene. Plus, styrene is a lot easier for me to make custom channels and pieces like that to hold everything in place. I believe I got plenty of decals. Let's see, how are the decals here? Well, I'll have to open those up. Anyways, the bottom, let's set that down, and let's take a look at, oops. What am I doing here? Okay. Yeah, this is going to be nicer too, because by doing it this way, I have the whole channel I can get into to work on all the electronics, repair them if something happened. Yeah, this is I think very, very promising. Yeah, let's see, how is this? I actually printed these and made them larger for this because the display on the video walkie-talkies were larger than 4:3, but not that much. But it's not a true 4:3 aspect ratio, which this is. So I may have to reuse them because this is definitely smaller than this, and I'm going to need the full, this full width to take advantage. So it's not going to be totally accurate, but who cares? It'll be functional, and yeah, this bothers the daylights out of me. Why did they? Not that it matters, but there's supposed to be a 0 there. You can't fit 0 into something that is just, where did I see it? I thought I saw it on the Chrome. Oh, no, it's, I'm sorry, it's right there. No way you're going to get a 0 on that. Minor criticisms, they're two different depictions. I think AJ's is a little bit more accurate to the filming model, but this is going to be so much easier to work with as far as, I think, putting the electronics in here. I'll probably copy the same treatment as far as this channel here. Oh, and I'm going to redo these. I feel bad that the antenna, I'm going to again try to put the antenna down here and re-look at the LC circuit that supports the antenna. Maybe I can get the range to be improved and let my friend R. Warren know how to do it. If he doesn't want to attempt it, he can definitely send them to me, and I'll modify his if in fact it ends up being an easy thing to do. I truly enjoyed doing this, and I learned a lot doing this that I'll be able to definitely take advantage of on this. The color I preferred over other people's comments and or opinions. But yeah, as far as the buttons being a little bit larger, that doesn't bother me at all. The chrome parts, yeah, I got to take a look at, oh, I see what they did. Okay. This is probably for that, obviously, and this is for this. I'm not going to use those because I need these things to be acoustically transparent because that's where my speakers are for the various effects, and it's not hard to design around that. So, yeah. Oh, we were going to look at the. Let's see, what are these? Okay, well, they did give. Oh, these are for. They did give us some clear parts, but again, they molded them as one piece. And the screen could have been done better. Yeah, most of these buttons, I think, are for the, yeah, they are. They're for the laser, so I don't care about that. Let's take a look at the instructions. It would tell me. Definitely a simple kit. There's not a whole lot of parts to it. For the stun gun, I thought it was a laser, but the stun gun, it's all done on one page, and if there's 30 pieces, I'd be surprised. I'll have to go through and count them. They give you both Season 1 and Season 2 knobs, so you have your choice. As far as the Commlock goes, no Season 1, Season 2, because they really didn't change it between the two. But then again, they really never showed true close-ups of the Commlock, but you're going to have to cut this out for the OLED. I think I already said that, but I'm going to do, since this material is a lot thinner, I should be able to put it in without this area here being showed. I was kind of stuck. I had to do this the way it was just by the limitations of the castings. He, being AJ, had casted this with a depressed square here and didn't leave me a whole lot of choice. If I cut it completely through, the resin was just too thick, so I kind of had to bring it through and lay it on top, whereas this I may be able to bring it up from the back side and make it a little bit more accurate. Very pleased. I'm glad I got the tree I did. This for the Space 1999 fanatics out there. This is definitely a much anticipated and a much, I think, oh, there we go. A much, yeah, I'm drawing a total blank here, boy. My senior moments are just getting far, far too frequent. All right, so, oh, decals are nice. That's interesting. That's good. Yeah, the characters for the buttons are definitely smaller. Are they the correct font? Because, boy, it took me a long time to find the correct font and then a good decal maker to give me the decals, but I've got plenty of those left over, so I'll definitely take advantage. The decals are gorgeous, very nice, clear, crisp. The dithering or dot matrix is non-existent. They look really photorealistic, so whoever did the decals did a fantastic job. Does it say on here? Now, other than round 2, I don't know. Oh, I see. These actually are there, but they're there. You know, there's those two for there. They're done in decal. This is there. Not bad. Not bad. I'm very happy. So, yeah, good deal. Going to do my best to make these functional, so stay tuned. Woohoo! See y'all later. Bye.